I tried SubWallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first heard about SubWallet, I thought it was just another crypto extension. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that SubWallet might be one of the best wallets for the Polkadot and Substreet ecosystem, and hardly anyone's talking about it. On day 1, I installed the browser extension and connected it to my Polkadot account. Setup was fast, just a few clicks to create a wallet, back up the recovery phrase, and you're good to go. It immediately supports multiple networks like Polkadot, Kusama, and Moonbeam. By day 2, I started exploring its features. What impressed me most was the interface: clean, organized, and beginner-friendly. It automatically detects assets across different parachains, which saves you the hassle of switching networks manually. Midweek, I tried staking some DOT tokens. The process was smoother than I expected. You can nominate validators, track rewards, and manage your staking positions directly from the wallet, all without leaving the extension. Most wallets make staking complicated, but SubWallet keeps it effortless. By day 5, I tested connecting it to dApps. It integrated perfectly with platforms like Aster and Parallel Finance. Everything worked instantly, no bugs, no lag, just a seamless web experience. After 7 days, the shocking truth was clear. SubWallet isn't trying to compete with MetaMask or Phantom. It's building something tailored, a secure, all-in-one wallet for the Polkadot universe. It combines performance, clarity, and function in a way that most wallets overlook. If you're exploring the Polkadot ecosystem or want a wallet built for the future of interoperable blockchains, SubWallet might be the hidden gem you've been missing. It's smooth, reliable, and proves that the next wave of wallets is already here.